Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim from JT Techtronics Senayan Berhad. This is a portable 32-inch touchscreen LCD display panels. What you can see now is basically the landscape mode. So we can change to portrait mode. And this is the 360 degree. It's built-in battery. Standby mode can last up to 4 hours without doing anything. So this is basically a Android system. So you can go to Chrome. As usual, you can type your YouTube channel, everything basically is over here. So you can have a look. Then press stop. So this is the full function. We have YouTube, we have Google, of course you can install other apps on. So you can go down. So this one also he built in the camera and also a mic. You can see that this is the button. So of course you can do the e-image. That means that you can portrait your image into this display. It's mirror up. Oh, this is how it looks like. It's very portable, and of course this can be up and down. So we can push, and when you sit down, you can have a better view. And up or down. So can up to your angle that actually you like. You want higher, then looks like this. If you like my channel, help to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.